Canal Street haul. Like, you could be my personal shopper. Before Nicki Minaj fell off. Well, I'm gonna give you a little detail while I'm opening the box. So I have been obsessed, like, looking at all the Canal Street haul, especially since the Chinese people done told us that all the purses are made in the same factory. Sorry, I'm talking to y'all in focus and at the same time not doing a very good job by the way, okay? But if you're interested in getting some items from Canal Street and you're not trying to pay them outrageous prices as you've seen on TikTok, honey, when they like bargaining and stuff, I be wanting to do that. I'm gonna go out there myself and do it one day. But for the moment being, I just couldn't get on a flight real quick and go to New York. So I said, oh, how can I go to Canal Street without going to Canal Street? So I found my girl Cindy. Y'all, Cindy here on TikTok, she made a video about, you know, being a personal shopper. And so, y'all look at the box. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. To me. So I went a little crazy. Canal Street haul. Y'all. Oh, it's about to be lit. Y'all ready to see it? I'm so excited. Okay, I'm coming. I'll be right back. Now, I'm going to let you know from the boxes alone, this is going to be a two-part video, so this is the first part. So, I did ask for some with boxes because I wanted to decorate my closet and stuff with boxes. So, first we got the Louis Vuitton. Yes, with the duster. Duster. Sorry, I know y'all can hear my dog down there chewing on something. I don't even look at it because this is so freaking cute. Yes, this is so cute. I love it because you know. Okay, y'all see me. I was just gonna put it. Okay, we just gonna do the haul, y'all. I'm also, this is the first time I'm actually seeing the items. This is the second one. Yes, y'all, it's looking good. It got the item in it. Now, let me tell you something. Like, shopping with Cindy was so easy, you guys. She was perfect. She was wonderful. Amazing customer service. Yes, let's go with my outfit right now. Oh, this is tea. This is so freaking cute. It is way bigger than I thought. I thought it was going to be little. I don't know. I can't compare it to nothing, but I thought it was going to be smaller. It comes with the strap. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, like I said, shopping with Cindy was so easy, you guys. And y'all know I've been seeing a lot of things on TikTok. So there was a lot. I was like, I want this. I want this. I want this. I was like, I want it all. And she was so patient with me, y'all. She did her big one. And, oh, y'all, it even come with the certification. I told you the Chinese people tell us this all from the same place. It comes with the certification and everything. That's so freaking cute. Now, oh, this one I'm so freaking excited. Oh, my gosh. Hold on. I got to put these down. Don't mess with the Louis, okay? You know, my baby is definitely a girly. I was trying to find some cute pet stuff that was like, oh, this is the Dior box, okay? Oh, I'm so excited. I've been looking at this purse for the longest, wanted it. Oh no, the dust bag is ripped. That's horrible. That's not her fault, but it is definitely ripped on the side. That's okay. Oh, I wanted the saddlebag so bad. It goes with my all that. You know, it's a Dior saddle. It's so cute. It definitely it's like a good quality too. It has the Dior stamp on there with the CD on the little zipper. It has CD on the side. It feels like a really good quality bag, you guys. You couldn't tell me it is doll and not Dior, okay? Because, baby, you couldn't tell me nothing. Unless you've seen this video and know that it's not duh. You know it's duh and not Dior, okay? That's on you, baby. I don't really care. It's so freaking cute, and the boxes are so cute. I can't wait to like decor. Y'all want to see my decor? Now, I did get the Apple AirPod Maxes, y'all. Oh, these Apple AirPod Maxes, you guys. I'm so excited. It's in the color pink. I'm going to open it off camera because... Oh, actually, I could open it on camera. Okay, there we go. Okay. I was like, damn, my nails is not going to let me do it. Okay, we're going to open it on camera. I definitely wanted the real ones, but I seen on a video that they actually had these, and I was like, well, why would I spend that money when I could get it for 50 bucks? Literally, I think she said 50 or 75 or something like that. I'm not sure. It was pretty good of a price for these headphones. So I'm trying to open them. Okay, there we go. Ooh, they're cute. They're more like a red. Ooh, on here, they're coming off super red. Like, it is not that red, but it's definitely a red and less of a pink. I think this part is where it's like a pink. You know what I'm saying? But it's definitely giving red. Either way it goes, they're super freaking cute. And I'm definitely about to put them on and see how the quality is when I talk on them and stuff. And I'll let you know. And it comes with like charger and the like. Okay, this one says, you know it's not Apple because it don't even have the little Apple thing on there. So you know it's definitely still a dupe. Definitely still a dupe. But, you know, I'm going to let you know how it is. It looks cute. It looks legit. And I go through headphones like crazy. I don't care what name brand they are. My Beats headphones right now is acting like people keep saying I sound like I'm under the damn seat, and they're brand new Beats headphones. So why spend extra money when obviously it's still doing the same thing? Okay, next box, Louis Vuitton. I'm so excited about this one because I was so obsessed with this one. Oh, this is so cute. It says thank you on there, and a Louis dust bag. Oh, I'm excited. It looks so much cuter in person, y'all. I don't understand you don't understand how obsessed I was with this bag. It is such a 90s vibe, you know. I don't know, the girlies definitely was wearing little saddles on their baby. I just love it. It's so freaking cute. It definitely has the regular strap, and then it has like this chain one, and then it has the Louis Vuitton. Oh, it's a Louis Vuitton card. Certification. It's a hard cord. It got the Louis stamp on the inside right here. Let's see if I can get a little closer for you guys. Very cute. The quality of the bag feels wonderful. Has the stamps on it. Really good. Feels like great quality. Obviously, like, I mean, if I get the real one and then I compare it with this one, obviously we could tell the difference between the real and the fake, obviously. I think the only thing I noticed for real that makes a huge difference is like the red trim right here. It looks messy. It looks like someone put nail polish on it and like tried to cover it, make it red. This side doesn't look as bad, but this side, like little details, you can tell like, oh, that's not legit. But it's so cute, and I don't care that it's not legit or not. It's just really freaking cute. And I mean, the Chinese said it's made in the same place, so who can tell me it's not legit? And I got those certifications to prove. Anyways, this is my part 1 of my Canal Street haul. Y'all gotta come back for part 2 to see what's in the second box, because like I said, I did go a little cray. But y'all, Cindy did not disappoint. Cindy, you did A1 day 1. I mean, I already told you, girl, in messages, but I'm so thankful. Thank you, girl, for going out there and haggling for me, girl, because these are some really cute items. They feel like a really good quality, and baby, I'm about to be rocking them like no tomorrow. So thanks, girls. Stay tuned for part 2.